Hello everyone, this is Sangeeta Shilu Kujur, PGT Computer Science in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Koraput. Today I am going to tell you about how to make video from PowerPoint presentation. Many people are confused to take online classes by using videos during this pandemic. So let's start today's lesson. First of all, open PowerPoint presentation Office 2010 or latest version. Select blank presentation from these layouts. Go to on design option, then click on slide size. Select wide screen from this option. If you have selected standard, it will cut the video screen from both the sides, right and left during video run. So be careful about that. You have to select wide screen from this option. Complete your PowerPoint presentation on the desired topic. Now, record with audio. You need voice recorder. You can use earphone or headphone with mic or etc. Click on slideshow on menu bar. Then click on record slideshow option. Select record from beginning. For this above action, see next slide. You have to click on slideshow first, then click on record slideshow button, then select record from beginning option. Now you have a screen for recording. Some buttons are available here. To start the recording, you have to click on record button. For the stop, you click on stop. Then a replay button is also available, and this is the clear button. If you want highlighter in your PowerPoint presentation, right click on highlighter icon. Here it is. Then select pointer options. In the pointer options, you select any one from these options, either laser pointer, pen, etc. Whatever you want. I have selected here laser pointer. Now you can start recording by clicking button record. Now you start your explanation slide by slide from first slide. At the bottom, timing is also visible in seconds. Some notes are there. First, after complete explanation of one slide, then only move to the next slide to avoid voice cut during changes of slides. If any mistakes done during recording, click on stop button, then click on clear button and clear your recording from these options. You can clear your record on current slide, and as well as you can clear recording from all the slides. Or you can clear your recording from this option also. Click on slideshow, click on record slides button, then this is the clear option. You select any option from these 4 provided options. If you want clear narration on one, if you want clear your narration from all the slides, then you click on clear narration on all slides. If you want to remove the timing, you can do it. After completion of record, click on stop button. Close that recording environment. After closing that recording environment, now you are in your PowerPoint presentation. Click on File menu, click on Export, then click on create a video, then select one option from this, whatever you want for the quality. After that, you click on create video. After clicking create video, it will ask you for the location to save this video file. You select the location, then give file name. After that, you click on save button. Now you can see the progress creating video presentation in status bar. This is the status bar showing progress of work. After completion, it will convert in video file. So wait till work is completed. Your file is saved in your selected location. Now you can use it as a video. Thank you for watching. You can share with others so that it may help everyone. Kindly comment your queries in the comment box. Thank you.